Yo. What's up, Roy? I think my microphone's working. How you doing? Yo, why does my OBS look so laggy? Been feigning for a stream for real. Sorry about that, buddy. I mean, I haven't really done much, to be honest. I haven't really had anything to do, you know? I feel like my stream is oddly laggy for some reason. My OBS is even lagging, which is really strange. It's not normal. Unless it's just... Yeah, no, it's just laggy for some reason. Nah, it's whatever. As long as stream looks good enough, it's fine. But it shouldn't be this laggy. I got no idea for now as to the bias of NQ for today, mostly because I did have a short bias, but we had some news that came out about an hour ago that caused this little push up, and I don't know what's going to happen. Took out these highs. Yeah, we took out these highs. We took out yesterday's New York highs as well right here. I had the bias for shorts off of this rejection, but with this push up, I really don't know right now. So I just gotta wait till NY open. How you doing though, Fry? I think my microphone's working. Should be at least. Let me double check. Should be at least. Let me double check. Yeah, it's nice working. Right now we're on top step, and on the top right, that's my current P&L for the day, copy traded across accounts. So we're up on this account, $4,031 copy traded, so pretty much the same across all of their accounts too. So yeah. I'm probably going to go targeting for 5,000. That's kind of my goal for today, 5,000, but we'll see. Nothing's ever guaranteed in trading, so maybe I get it, maybe I don't, you know? We wicked out these highs. We rejected nicely. What's up? What were you confused about? Oh my gosh, fair value gap. I keep moving this thing around, which is this, and it's really getting in my way. Dang it, I keep messing with this. Over unprofitable? That's good that you're over profitable. But they would, for entries itself, usually the way I can simplify it for you is with the current way I trade, look for major swing areas to trade off of. So like, let's say this happened, wait for it to get swept, drop down to your validation time frame, wait for validation to occur. So let's say like a double MB, if you're trading double MB, so it'd be like this into this. So there's your double MB, drop to the 1 minute time frame, and then I bet you there's gonna be like a double MB entry after 1 minute here, which there is in the form of this. 1 minute, stop under here, and then there's your long. That's all I really do. You can add trend line as well, which would be look along the lines of this. Oh, it actually kind of lines up perfectly. Sorry about that. I've been sick. Ever since I came back from out of town last month, I have this cough that just does not go away. And it's really weird. I miss a shitload of good trades because I'm overly picky, and don't be picky. If you notice you're missing trades because you're being overly picky, then start taking chances. That's the best advice I can give. If you know you're missing good trades because of pickiness, then start taking risk. I got nothing for now. I'm just waiting till NY open. I have no idea, no bias, no nothing, because everything got thrown off by this push up. So for me right now, I'm just waiting. Of course, I can just assume that my bias is, oh, we'll just continue higher and just set new highs. But I don't know if that's really the case for today. No, I still use it. 5 second, 15 second, 30 second. I still use them. I just showed you a quick and simple entry. We used in the 1 minute. The only thing I can really assume for my bias for today, well, we actually already broke the trend line. We rejected off this high. We're about to set distribution right now, which we dropped to the 1 minute actually. We already did. So if we do this, yeah, your MB would have been through here. Entry could have been somewhere within here, but I don't like it. I'd prefer this trend line break, set a pause here, which is doing right now. I'd want to see something along the lines of a pause such as that. Very tight squeeze, drop lower, double MB entry off the 5 second. No, not really. It just depends. It varies. It varies based off what I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to entry from. Sorry, I'm been having bad sleep, but all my entries it just depends on what I'm looking for, where we're at in price right now. Like if I were to trade right now, I need price to squeeze heavily. I cannot have price, for example. Let's say we're like right here and I'm looking for a short. I can't have price doing this. I need like this right here. I can't trade a short off of. If I want to look for a short, I need price to squeeze a lot tighter. Like, I don't know. Pretend like this as an example. I'd at least need price to look more like this compared to this, which is just ugly right now. There's no confirmation. There's no nothing. It's 50-50. Of course, trading is always 50-50, but you know what I mean. There's just no clear direction, and that's what sucks. So yeah. I'm gonna do something a bit cheesy. I'm gonna cheat an MB. Break my rules a bit, but I do think we're short bias right now. I don't like this, but depending how the 15 seconds sets up right now, I may be just willing to take a trade. It's getting too high up. I don't mind that it's wiping out all this shitty liquidity right here. I don't mind that, but I needed to start rejecting ASAP. If it doesn't start rejecting like now, I'm removing my short bias temporarily. But I need it to start rejecting. I preferably do not want to see it get above here. The second it gets above here, I am canceling my idea for a short bias. And I don't mean like wick above. I mean like candle body close above, if that makes sense. If it candle body closes above, I am canceling my short bias. I like that rejection. I'm only gonna go one mini. Yeah, I'm only gonna go one mini. This is not the worst entry. Okay, flatten. I don't like that. If it fails to hold, I need it to immediately come back lower and close under that line. Yeah, no. Canceling that short bias for now. But I am overall ID on the shorts. Like, look at that, insane. Within the next candle, it'll probably. My prediction is 29. We're probably going to be around here. That's my prediction at 829. I don't know why. My gut says around 829 ish. We're going to be at this level. I. That's what my gut says. I don't know. Why do you want a short? We rejected these level. Okay, here. Let me just clear my chart overall for you really quick. We're rejecting these highs. Price fell to continue to go higher. Rejected these highs. There's too much fucking dog shit liquidity sitting all the way down here. We have this, or sorry, my line. We have all this right here. Just all this dog shit sideways price action that I know NQ just wants to chew up. We cleaned up this a bit, but we still have all this. We rejected these highs. We're setting new all-time highs over and over again, but this candle push up, it did not want to happen originally until a sudden news came out. And this was a sudden news candle. This was not like a, oh, price went up just to go up for whatever market maker reasons, whatever you want to call it. We had news right here from a sudden news, more like sudden news, and it caused the price to push up. But we failed to continue to go higher. Price rejected off this wick right here. To me, it just looks short, mainly because of just the rejections. Like, yeah, closed higher because of news. But once we broke out of news and we started pausing, we're failing to close higher. Price is getting weaker to the bullish side. Look at these weak. Look at this wick. Nice candle lower. Wick. I bet this candle is gonna look really nice lower. And watch. I'm not gonna place bets here, but I feel like price is probably, if it does do anything, it's gonna wick this high, shoot lower. That's my best guess. Let's go to the 1 minute. See how it goes. I could be completely wrong, but I'm just short biased just because of how price action looks to me. Could just go higher. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I'm dumb. Obviously I am, but still. I do believe though, this rejection right here is going to be the driver for price to just shoot lower. I don't think NQ wants to actually go higher. If we close below this wick, I think we're just shooting lower very quickly. Nah, looks like we're getting body close above if it still holds it. I'm going to have this here so I can have an idea of where it closes at. Ooh. We candle closed. Yeah, we candle body closed below. Yeah, I think we're going to shoot lower. Let's go. Come on, Nasdaq. Shoot lower. Yo, what's up, Ross? I have no shorts right now. It's just two sideways, which is weird to say. It's weird to say we're two sideways. Like no shit, but like I need to see how the next candle or two closes. I'm willing to short off this. No, not anymore. It went way. It just rejected way too strongly. I wait a bit more. I still have a short bias though, but until it starts forming a lot more cleaner. What's up? Until it starts forming a lot more cleanly, I am just gonna wait. If it can trend line break this second's trend line. And we can just break below this. What's up, Fizz? Fizz? I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just say Fizz. First one, Fizz. Gotcha. Ooh, price actually managed to close above. We might actually have room to the upside then at this rate. No, I don't believe it for some reason. I'm not buying it. Like, yeah, we closed above, but for some reason I'm just not buying it. I'm gonna redraw that actually. I don't know why I'm not buying it. It just does not feel right to me. Hmm. What is this 1 minute close? Let me draw this line right here. Hmm. Close right at it. But it did fail. Not seeing anything that's selling me anything, to be honest. Not even for longs. Even if I try to frame a long idea here, the candles just don't support it. It's too just sideways. Like, yeah, we're overall pushing higher, but like, chug, 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 It's like, it's just not there. I have no trade. Not for longs. Preferably short, but I need these candles to start supporting the ideas for shorts. Yep. Yeah, it's just too much chugging. I don't like it. These candles are getting way, way, way weaker now. It is. Which is my kind of domain. Oh, we have news in 30 minutes, don't we? Maybe that's why. Even though I don't think the news are that important today, like, yeah, we have jolts and all that, I don't think it's that crazy. ISM? Yeah. Why do I see a short forming here? I know it sounds counterintuitive, given how it's moving right now, but I see a short forming here. I see a short, but do I take it? From the walls, man. I don't know. I still kind of see it. Obviously, it's not within my criteria yet, but I kind of see it forming. That or maybe it's my sleep deprivation. I haven't slept all night. I've been up all night. I traded Asia. I traded London. Here I am for New York. So I'm probably just sleep deprived and I'm just seeing shit, but I do see a short forming. Kind of strongly, I'm not gonna lie. Yep. I traded Asia on a bank holiday and I made 200 ticks, dude. I don't know what else to tell you. I took a short, I believe it was. Hold on, I see a short still. I really want to take it. Anyways, no, I took it long. Oh wait, did I? What the fuck? Today's the 5th. This is morning. Okay, whoops. Uh, yeah, I think I shorted from around here. Yeah, I shorted from around here, somewhere in this bullshit. And I made like 200 ticks or some shit. Like what? Oh, that's... Hello. I don't know. I fucking shorted. I made like a 200 ticks or some shit. Hey, look. There's my short. It's beginning to form. Oh, hell yeah, actually. Give me in. Give me the fucking... I'm just drawing everything out because I'm very picky about me drawing stuff. So disregard like how I'm drawing everything at the moment. I'm just very picky. I need to have everything drawn out before I take a trade. Otherwise, it just bothers my head. Okay, I can't refine to there, so I'm just gonna wait. If it closes above here, I'm canceling. But as long as we hold below here, I'm holding. I'm still within the idea. I'm still within the idea. I think we wicked above. Yeah, we wicked above. Can't hold it anymore. Yeah, canceling for now. I still believe in it though. People will say you're reverse trading, reversal trading, or whatever. Yes. That's all I gotta say. Yes. I'm very firm on my bias, given how price action looks. Composite don't sleep. Yep. I think it's counter trend trading. It is counter trend trading. 100%. I'm not denying it. But I believe in it right now. Depending on how it holds here, I might still be interested in holding it. It cannot close above here though. If it wicks or closes, yeah, can't. Canceling for now. Oh, by the way, up here, this PNL, that's live. So like, as you can see. So it's not like some kind of image. It's an actual live PNL. So people can see like what my current PNL is. I'm still, I know my idea is for reversal, but at the same time, when you're trading an idea of a reversal, you are kind of counter trend trading in the process too. It kind of goes hand in hand together, but I do see a short forming and the price is getting way too weak. I can tell price is getting too weak to try to push up. It's just a matter of when. Yeah. Oh, I forgot I don't have mm, yeah. No. I was gonna see something really quick, but it doesn't seem to. Actually, we're beginning to slope lower. Volume is going higher, but we're beginning to slope lower. I think it's just a matter of time very soon. I think once news hits, we'll know for sure. That PNL's with one mini? Two minis. Well, one and two minis. It's both. I took I took a few trades overnight and it was a mixture between one and two minis. So yeah. I really like how PNL's forming, I can't lie. hell fucking no. There we go. Mm, yeah, consistently. Sellers are just out overpowering buyers at the moment. Every time price moves up, yes, you can put in the idea of buyers are overpowering sellers, but I feel like it's less about quality buyers and more about quantity buyers right now. I think there's more quality sellers, but more quantity buyers at the moment. And it's just a matter of when the quantity of buyers starts to degrade to the point that obviously it just can't continue up anymore. Because every time the price is going lower, look at how much healthier these candles look. When we go higher, look how much it's just fighting to push up. And in my head, I feel like we have quality sellers, but quantity buyers. And at the moment, it's just get these fuckers out of here. Get them exhausted. Get them the fuck out of here. Begin rotating lower. That's how I view it right now. Ooh, ran over something. All with my chair. And that's what I'm waiting for right now. I'm just waiting for them to fucking exhaust. But I do think we're getting to that point where they're beginning to exhaust. We already broke trend line. Overall trend line. I'm kind of down for a short again. Take one. Would you say argument? Would you say you argument that based on candle strength comparison to both directions? What do you mean by that? Can you rephrase that? Yeah, like this is quality buyers. This is what I like to see if I want to see bullishness. I want to see this, not like, you know? I also got to cancel that, so yeah. I just don't even see any long. Even if I wanted to take a long through any of this, there's no good, clean long out of anywhere. You try to long through here, like, okay, shit, like, I don't know. Okay. We have trend line. We have, I guess you had this, actually. Your entry could have been this. But even then, that's kind of a shitty fucking entry. It's really ugly. So, I mean, yeah, I guess you had this. I can't trade off this. I'm gonna wait for news. Everything I'm assuming either way is pre-news, and who knows. Up candle versus down candle, full versus more wiki. You almost took that. So, how I view it is more. Yeah, let's go back to here because tick chart is a lot. Tick chart will always be better than seconds. By the way, if you want to know how transactions are actually happening within the market, I don't think TradingView offers it inherently, but TopStep does. So basically, how I view it is the more full-bodied a candle is, the more quality buyers are stepping in within the order book itself. How can I describe this? Because prior to, I used to use Bookmap a lot, and I was obsessed with Bookmap for a solid like half a year or some shit. Um, within every candle itself, at different price points within the candle, there's a certain amount of orders that transacts within each like tick of price, I guess you can say. And usually within these kind of candles, it's usually filled up the entire candle within each tick of the candle with just quality buyers. Compared to these wicks where it's like, okay, we had quality buyers down here, but then up here it started getting really weak, and then just fucking took off from there. I do not want to see this shit. I want to see this, not this. Not this. Or this, if I want to look for longs. But I can't trade any of this right now. I just gotta wait. I'm just gonna draw this for now, just for reference. If I want to take a short, I'm just gonna wait. The 1 minute candle, the 1 minute green candles are obviously healthier on the 1 minute, but the second you drop down to a more fractalized time frame, it kind of shows more of the full story, in my opinion. Like, look at this. I wouldn't be surprised if we just start dumping now to like this level. If if it's gonna happen, I think it's gonna happen right about now, and we're gonna dump to around this level. I like these. I like this. Could be forming a double MB right now. No, fix. I like this. I actually like this a lot. I'm willing to take this. Targeting something along the lines of that. There we go. And then stop about... Honestly, I'm down for 200. Stops me out, it stops me out. Don't really care. At the break of these lows, I'm trailing above this candle. Reduce risk. Break like candle close break, by the way, not wick break. So I don't care about this per se. I want to see the actual candle below here. Getting a lot more volatile. It's getting ready to me. Oh, wow. That's okay. That's why it stops. Would you still look for longs if we dump down at 20? No. We're getting very close to news, though, so honestly, I'm not even surprised by this candle. Though the way it's just rejecting to me, it just looks like it doesn't actually want to go up. It's probably just beginning to react because we're pretty much 9 minutes away from news. 9 minutes and a half. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I didn't mind the idea, though. It was still in confluence with the double MB possible short. Price rejection, failed to close higher. Set a double MB. Took a double MB, what do you call it, more fractalized entry within the 5-second time frame. I was okay with it. And it's these kinds of trades where I make the most amount of money anyways. Like, yeah, I lost 200 bucks. Cool. I'm still up 3.8k. You know? But in the week, I'm still up a lot more. It's whatever. That's how I view trading. It's just like, okay. It's me, yes, it's technically more riskier, I guess you can say as well. Me taking these types of trades, but it's what makes me money. So is it really wrong if it makes me money, you know? Of course, I guess you can also say gambling does the same thing too, but you know what I mean. What's GC doing? I'm bored. GC is doing jack shit, but it is breaking trend line. What the fuck was my trend line? So longs aren't the worst idea, but not right now. What's YM doing? YM. Holy shit. What the fuck happened to you? RTY? Nothing. ES. Okay. ES looks like shit. Regarding your question though, regarding if I would look for longs, I honestly can't look for longs here. Where do you target? What do you look for? How do you know when it's gonna like? What if price just comes up to here and then just like, okay, fuck it, sell now? You know? I hate trying to take longs from these areas because it's just the unknown. And then you also got to deal with like this kind of bullshit. This is kind of a perfect example. Yeah, you could take a long here, but then you got to deal with boom, 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 boom. Like, yeah, it's you. You could say it's setting really nice MBs to the upside. Yeah, it is, I guess. But I do not want to be in this bullshit price action because to me, and I don't want to be trading in the unknown. The unknown is scary to me with this kind of price action. I'd rather wait for price to just come back down, wipe some major area, like for example down here, and then start looking for longs again because we have information to work with. But I do not want to be trading like, yeah, I don't want to be trading into new all-time high unknowns. That's why I'm also more comfortable just trading shorts right now. Also because I do believe in the shorts. But I'd rather bet on a short more than I'd rather bet on a long. I do not want to be in this price action. Even though people could have easily made money off this. Like you guys, if you just took an MB, you would be up money right now. Albeit, I don't know how many ticks, like what, 80 ticks? 200 ticks. It looked like 80 ticks for some reason. But, yeah, I don't know. It just does not look good to me. It does not look reliable. I feel like at any second, it's just gonna fucking, you know? Unfortunate right here. I think this is where I belonged at least. Or was it here? I think it was right here. I've been having a K-pop addiction, by the way, so don't mind the music. I just have a K-pop addiction right now. I don't know why. There we go. There's the short I've been looking for. Oh, wait, though. I'll be proper. We have trendline break. We have MB. We have distribution technically validated. We have below. We have possible MB1 being formed. Wait for the next candle pause. Honestly, if I wasn't on stream, I'd be looking for a short somewhere around here. But, like, I'll be proper on stream. Depending on if this candle closes, I'd still be willing to look for a short, especially if it closes like a doji candle. So if it closes, for example, let's say how it looks right now. Oh, well. Like this. Let's say it closed like this. I'd be willing to look for a short. But it's contingent on it closing like that. And it's mostly because of the idea. Like, look at this candle. Look how it went up. I've been applying it a bit by bit as of late. It's not the worst, not the best. We also have trend line being formed here, but it's kind of weak. I kind of like this actually now. How will you close though? I gotta wait. No. Why do these candles look so weak? Because it is weak. It's hyper low fucking volume. Yeah, these candles are hyper low vol. Oh, we're right about to hit news. I'm staring at these candles and I'm like, why the fuck are these candles so fucking low volume? Yeah. I'm still gonna short though. It's within my rules. The actual entry itself. Probably something along the lines of that. No longer within my rules. I'm out for that. I don't like how that formed. I'm gonna wait. This could technically be valid, but I don't like how it closed and then reopened. It's not my kind of style of entry. So that's a skip. All this would just be 1 MB to me, even though this candle's technically lower on the wick, but yeah. Yep. No. Well, yeah, that's you. But look how the candle body opened lower than here, I fucking hate that. It's less about like something that's like proven, whatever. I just feel like I've had trades that ended up poorly when it opens like that. I prefer candles to be more like, fuck, what's a decent example? Like this, where it was this, and then that. I do not want to see this bullshit. Yeah. Okay, we're 1 minute till news. It's not worth the risk trying to take a short here if it forms one, so I'm just gonna wait. Why is that just not liquid? What do you mean? Why is that just not liquid? What do you mean, these candles? Yeah, they're not liquid. It's too close to news. We have very low transacted volume right now. Ah, this is within my entry criteria too. And for it. Why does a candle open below? Is it because it's not liquid, I meant? Fuck, it's just... I think it's less about liquidity and more just in that given moment, what was stronger? Were buyers stronger or were sellers stronger in this case? I guess sellers were initially stronger for that 1 second and then buyers stepped back in. No. This is not that's just not it. Like, look how much healthier these candles are now. Yeah, the volume just shits on all of this already. Pull back up to here for me. Pull back up to here, and that's going to be a really nice short, I feel like. I'm considering that an artificial... I'm going to call this just a quote-unquote MB on a lower time frame, which it technically is on like a literal 1 second. I'm kind of down for a 1 mini here. Ooh, it's no longer supported. Okay. It's fine. It's still within my criteria, though. I didn't body close above. Oh, spoke too soon. Does it reject them? If it rejects, then I'm so interested. Otherwise, I am staying out. How's EOS forming? Oh, I'm on the seconds, that's why. Nothing yet. Ooh. I mean, longs are actually not the worst now, I gotta be honest. A long would not be the worst idea. You already had your accumulation down here. You had your entry right here, actually. That was a decent entry that I completely overlooked. I was fixated on the shorts, but this was actually kind of a decent long if you took it. What the fuck just happened there? We have trendline break, but I feel like it's too high. I just don't like it. I'm willing to take a mini long, but it's not within the criteria and the actual trade idea I believe in. So I'd be breaking my own rules for what I believe is the actual move, direction of the move. And I'm not about to start breaking my rules like that. Because personally, my own conviction is we're short. But obviously this is showing potential longs, even though my conviction says otherwise. It was only one candle. Drop it in the 15-second. Oh, you're right. I thought this was a tiny bit lower. My bad. Then it would be through here. I don't know why I thought that was a tick lower. And shit looks weird on my monitor. It's rejecting and rejecting and rejecting. It does not want to push higher. It's weakening a lot. Like, just look how it keeps fucking overall failing to close above. Oh, right when I say that. I just don't like this PA. How do you enter off this? Yeah, we're 1 minute MB here. You have MB2 right here. Or accumulation, I guess. Yeah, you're 1 minute. It just doesn't look good. There's no clear entry unless you just buy stop the high. Up, that's short for some reason. Like, unless you just straight up buy stop the high, but then you have a fat fucking stop, and I don't like that. Because the RR just becomes so horrible. There's no clear entry unless you refine it to like this, I guess. But then you're prone to being wicked out. And I don't want that. It's ugly. Yeah, my short conviction is just there still. I don't believe in the longs. Just how price is forming, it just does not look right to me. It's some of the most fake shit ever. You have MB1 right here. If you want to go look to the downside, you have MB2 forming on the wave micro there. Probably find a knee micro revival in 5 seconds if it just starts breaking below now. So probably what's heads up? What? No, okay, I don't care, YouTube. Went higher, but it's just rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. Like, look how these candles are forming. Just so fucking ass. But seller step in and it's so much better. I'm just repeating myself at this point, but it's just really all I can say at the moment. I like the short though. Just want to see it break below here for the most part. I want to just break this range lower. Holy fucking barcode price action. Like, hello? You could fucking take this shit to Walmart and it'll scan. Like, what? Ooh, price is tightening. Price was tightening. Yeah, there's just nothing. It's a boring day. Okay, I kind of like this now. Nah. Actually, it's not the worst. I'm down for this. Targeting like, I don't know. Just fuck it. 220. I can refine this. I can easily start refining this soon. I'm just waiting. It's still fine for now. I've traded this exact price action before. I remember posting it on Mint server a while back. A long while back, more correctly. I can still refine this if it doesn't. Nah. It's why I enjoy trading Asia and fucking London. I mean, like, let's go to the 1 minute really quick. Albeit, it's not the prettiest. Oh, hold on, wait. Right here. It's not the prettiest, but at least it fucking moves, you know? Ooh, beautiful rejection, Nasdaq. Hold up. Yo, I didn't know you were all, I didn't know you were about that, Nasdaq. I didn't know you were about that shit. You gave me what I've been waiting for. Ooh. Hold on, I want to see you break above back here temporarily. If I want to look for a short, I want you to break above back here. It's a big ass fucking rejection. Rip higher. Close somewhere in here. Begin to set lower. Go lower. That's what I'm looking for right now. I don't care if it's a wick. I just want to break above there and then start breaking back lower. Ooh, it just tapped it. Could be valid, but I really prefer to see it go above. Oh, but that's a tight pause. It's within my parameters. That would suck if that was the entry. It would really suck if that was the one. Come on, break above here for me. That's what I want to see. Nope. Okay. Did what I wanted. Beautiful. And then... Okay, even better. Okay, that's fine. If we start breaking lower, I'm down for it. But otherwise, I got nothing. Ooh, okay. Well, fuck me, I guess. Hello. Well, chat, you saw my idea. You knew my idea was there, but like, I can't control that. That sucks. The only way I can see myself re-entering for a short, a continued short lower is... Fuck. It's really iffy. I don't have a good criteria, actually. for sure, I need price to just get... I think this is a scenario where I have to go down to the seconds. Not even the seconds has a good answer to this. But it'd probably have to be somewhere around here. I need price to get back up to here. I need price to tap back in and start rejecting from there. Man. Well, my short conviction was right. I just couldn't find the entry. Unless I just straight up buy stop the low, but I don't like doing that. It's fine though. My short idea is still there. I just needed to tap back. Tap back and supply here, but it's not good enough for me. It's too weak. This level here is a lot weaker than the level up here, and I'd rather go for the level up here than the one down here. So if we can tap back into this zone, I'd be so down for that. I made a double MB. It's making a double MB here, though. Come on, wake my supply zone. If you wake it, that'd be great. Getting there. If we reject from here, I'd be okay with it too, but I'd really prefer my zone. Nice, okay. If we can start breaking down from here, I'd be so down for that. That's okay. I don't care about that. I just care about starting to break down. Which is just all I'm waiting for right now. Got my double MB. Yeah, I'm down for it. Okay, I should have just fucking sent that shit. I should have just sent the trade. I should have just sent it. That's on me. I was like, surely it wouldn't go fast. Literally in my head, I was like, what are the chances? Just fucking sends it. It fucking sent it. And I missed the trade because of it. You heard me. I wanted to trade that. Fuck me. Well, this zone is now mitigated. The next zone of interest is... Honestly, we're already there. Yeah, I'm down. Then we'll do something along the lines of this. Then we got slipped right there. My stop was above here. So something along the lines of that. If we get stopped out, it's fine. I'll just wait for my re-entry. Unfort. That is 3 losses on the day so far. Or anyway. Unfortunately, I could have had 2 nice wins, but I missed it. Not much I can do about that. I ain't gonna bullshit it. I still believe in my conviction. Could have waited for a better entry, I guess, but it was good enough for me. If it was good enough for me, then it was worth the trade. Now, if we start breaking down from here, though, I will be participating. Now, this is a lot cleaner of an entry, I will not lie to you. Oh, it was. I'll set it, and I'll see if I can refine it. No. There is no refining that. I kind of like this, but I want to wait for a better entry. Breaking trend line. Shorts are in play at the moment, in my opinion. At the next pause, which is this. Yeah. Really? Wow. Well, the new trend line becomes this. Man, why did I have to miss my 2 trades? My 2 good trades. Fun for it. Maybe it's performance anxiety. Trading in front of you guys. Performance anxiety. I blame you all. No, I'm just kidding. That was my own fault. I could have just clicked it, but I didn't. I want to see a shit on all this shitty liquidity right here, but we just gotta wait. We are tapping into supply though. Oh, well, I just fucking obliterated that shit. But I'm still down for the short. It made a very strong push up, but I'm still down for the short. Oh wait, I actually wiped out most of this. Even though there's still a lot down here that I don't like. I'm pretty bullish all-time high. Well, it's already there, pretty much. I'm not though. Beyond. What's GC doing? The fuck happened to you? Yeah, it's too weak. I don't believe in it. Like, look at that shit. I can refine this easily. Never mind. Did it even set a double MB? No, it did not. There was no entry from there if anyone wanted to try. At least it just straight up bought the MB, which I guess could be possible. It broke and set new all-time highs. There's your all-time high, dude. If you went for it. Wicked it. No entry though. Nope. No entry. You're correct. My back is killing me. I don't know about you all, but I need a new fucking chair. Oh wow. The fuck? There's just no good entry. I don't know what to entry off of. If I wanted to take a long, like even on the 1 minute, it looks like fucking ass. The 30-second, it looks like ass aside from this entry and this entry, I guess. But it's not like it really moved yet. 15-second, you had no entry if you want to take an accumulation into MMB, which then you have this and then this. Accumulation MMB. I mean, I can't even deny the longs now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I legitimately can't deny it. It's happening, so I guess I'll just target like, ew, like that's some shitty fucking R. If you wanted to go whole numbers, whole number rounding, which if price wants to gravitate to it, it'll probably gravitate to 150 at the most. But that's some pretty fucking shit R. I don't like that. Did I just take this cherry for shits and giggles, by the way? Yes. Yeah, like, I don't know. I just took that one for shits and giggles. It doesn't even follow my criteria. I advocate that I don't like trading the highs, but I just did it anyways. If I want to take a long, I need price to come back down to here. $20 loss, but it's whatever. Ooh, gold longs are not bad though. Unfortunately, you'd be trading the fucking highs. You have your high right here. That was hopefully a DMB setup when we reach 28.1k. It's reaching it. If it goes down to here, I'll be more aggressive with my minis, but until then, I'm only risking one mini. The market is not good enough right now, and this is okay of a setup. Let's just set it back to what we were originally at. I won't read too much for it. You like the little down candles? Yeah. It's around there. It's weakening a lot. I don't like that. Yeah, it's just too weak. If it wants to continue higher, I want it to gain strength, and if it does, I'll be willing to add an extra contract for this. I want to see it get strength here, though. Candle close above, I trail under here. Yeah, it's just ugly. It's just rejection, rejection, rejection. You have your new trend line here, though. So it's something along the lines of this. I just wanted to round it out to 5,000. That's just my angle. If I hit it, I hit it. If I don't, I don't. I really don't give a shit on either scenario, so. For sure, I'm not going to let my balance go below 3K, though. 3K is going to be the limit. For context, by the way, chat. So, if it hits 3K, I'm not letting it go below there. I'm going to protect it. But 5K is my preferred TP. Or preferred final, if that makes sense. Target. It's so sideways. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out. Yeah. Where would your stop be on a new contract? What do you mean? Am I not on the new contract? It's top step. I think I should be on the new contract. Yeah, this shit's just weak. I'm still on my short conviction. This is just bullshit. It's just failing, 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 failing. But I'm not gonna let it get below 3K. 3K is my limit. And if it hits 3K, just close up shop for the day. You know? On 4. I really wanted these moves down. There's no good trend line on the 5-second. It's just rejection. Those shorts were very unfortunate. No, that wasn't long. Oh, you mean the ones that I missed? Yeah. The long setup is forming again. Do I really want to chance it though? I can go aggressive with this one. It's a tight entry, which I don't mind. And then we'll target, fuck, like what, main 100? And then stop, just, oh, well. Chat, I shouldn't be in this trade still, but I'm gonna just let it do its thing. I saw nothing. You saw nothing, I saw nothing. Nothing happened. If it runs, it runs. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna defend 3K. I'm gonna just leave it like that. -1 count on the day. It's fucking whatever. Unfortunate. It failed. It looked like it was possibly wanting to find another way to go higher. I'm just telling you, dude. I just don't believe in the longs. Like, yeah, I can visibly see price going higher. We went up 400 ticks. But it's just failing. It's just incapable right now, and I do not want to be in the middle of this bullshit anymore. My conviction is just short, 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 and I'd be willing to risk more money on shorts. But longs are just not it right now. Like, just look at this barcode shit. It's so ugly. This is horrible in QPA. Yeah, the sad part is, it could burst higher from here. It could just fucking send this shit, but like, I don't believe it. An entry through here would have been so nice though if it offered it, but it didn't. At least not to me. Do I really want to take one more trade? I just really want to short this shit, I'm not gonna lie. But do I really want to take one more trade? I'm not really wanting to break my rules today. I said 3k is my limit, and I'm okay with 3k. That is an insanely tight trade. It could burst from there, I'm not gonna lie to you. Stick to the rules, yeah. It's tightening up again. Unfortunate. But not much you can do about that. Unless I see an insane setup that I do not want to miss, I think I'm done. I will only permit one more trade if I see like a picture perfect setup, but that'll be like my end game right there. If I see a picture perfect setup, that's like the only exception I can give. Which, to be honest, this kind of fits that criteria. That is insanely nice. Kind of want to see it nicer, actually. There's a shit ton of just liquidity right here. I kind of like that rejection. If it can get back up to this level up here, set up a double MB and just shit lower, I'd be so down to take one more entry. Oh, nope, it just took it right then and there. It's what the fuck did I just do? That is really unfortunate. I don't know, dude. It did hit the area of demand I mentioned earlier. But at the same time, I don't know if I just trust it. There's too many reasons for it to go down rather than it go up right now, in my opinion. It's getting a lot more liquid though, I can tell you that much. Volume is beginning to kick in more, which is nice to see. Figure this out. I like that. Ooh, but what it can do right now, actually, I think I'd like more. Yeah. I'm not gonna, no. It didn't do what I wanted to do. Sweep this high, start rotating lower. Did you do it on ES? Oh, you did do it on ES. Okay, then it's valid on NQ. Nice. Yeah. I'm not going to take a trade unless I see, like I said, a picture perfect setup, and if I do, then I'll permit one more trade, but otherwise, that'll be it for me. Nope, not yet. No, I'm gonna just keep drawing this higher, because fuck it. Fuck it. I like that a lot. That's gonna be my last permitted trade. Why do I keep rotating these? Not anymore. Make sure it's in all accounts. My idea is still short, and I'm only gonna permit one trade. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm only permitting the one if it's actually how I want it to be. Depending on how you close, change will determine everything. I thought about it. I liked it a lot. I should have taken it. Yeah, I should have taken it. Yeah, I wanted to short this. My entry was right here, but I didn't take it. Oh well. My only hesitation really was just the way this kept on pushing, pushing, pushing. And that was my only hesitation really. Ugh. Holy shit. What the fuck? It looks crazy on the like seconds, but in reality it's actually not that much. It's like 30 ticks right there. 50 ticks. Ew. I'll like that. I want to see you close above here and then start rotating lower. I do not want to see you go lower from here. Yeah. Until you close above this and then start rotating lower. Close above here, begin rotating lower. Set an MB. I think that'll be my entry. Oh, well, fuck me. like, come on. My ideas are getting there, but it's pulling back anyways. But if it continued lower, like, I don't know. Bryce just ain't being friendly with me today. Let me clear out my chart. I'm getting annoyed of all the drawings. I do think it wants to just fucking reject lower, though. There's too much shit down here that I feel like it just wants to target. Just, where is my perfect entry? It's presented here, but like, in hindsight, actually no, there's no hinds. Yeah, it is because of how this formed. But with this, wiping all this shit out, I wonder how it's gonna react now. Okay. No. Is there like news or some shit that I don't know of? Like, what's going on here? Oh, okay. There is news regarding the war, so I wonder if that's why. Probably is. I like that. I like that too much actually to not take. We'll just target 2,000. This is gonna be my last trade, the last one I permit, and then target down to here, and then stop. Honestly, the only good stop I have is above here. I can't even lie to you. I don't like this stop because it's too wicky. That's like my only good stop. And I don't even mean that in a bullshit way because it went above here. I just mean that just straight up. This is just too fucking weak. And if you look at my trades historically as well over the past month, it's usually been along the lines of this. Just straight up. So it's probably my last trade. Well, it is my last trade, more correctly. I can start rotating lower, close about below here. I'd be willing to trouble down here. Nice. If I can get a close below here, I'd be willing to trouble above here. But I need price to start rotating. Nice. Oh, that's a wick though. I wanted it close. I'll meet in the middle. 110. If we can get a close lower. I don't like it. It's too weak. I'll set it back to where it was. Go down, price. Nah, it looks like it's gonna be the -1. Yep, -1. Or minus 0.3? I don't really know. Whatever. Yep. It's fine. $50 from 3K. $60. Whatever. Same shit to me. It's still 3K if I just run it up. That's probably going to be the last trade for me, though. Unfortunate. There were some bangers that could have been hit that, like these right here that I called, that I wanted to take, and I just outright missed. Especially this one right here. This is a fucking crazy one. There we go. But yeah. Oh, man. Is it really going to start rotating lower from here? For it. Oh, never mind. But yeah. I'm probably just going to end the stream here. Still up basically 3K on the day. I'm happy with that. It's 3K was the goal. 4K was extra. So either way, I'm okay with it. And yeah, it's whatever to me. I took losses in Y. Whatever. That's a new chair. That is a new chair. You're all right. So I'll take what I got. I'll walk away with my 3K very happy. Sure, lost 1K, 1.1K, 1.50, whatever, 1,050. Who the fuck cares, dude? I'm still up. I always use my balance as I always use my profit as a buffer anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, thank you all for stopping on by. I'll hop off now because my girlfriend's getting mad at me. She's unironically getting mad at me because I haven't been answering her calls because of the stream. So yeah. Nah, she's not actually mad, but she's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you answering my calls? So yeah. Bum? Nah. But yeah, good luck if you guys decide to continue on trading. But for me, it's too sideways. They're talking about the war right now, and I don't think right now is a good time in general to be trading anymore. Especially in the middle of this talk, so I'm personally gonna step away and just protect what I have now. So yeah. See you guys. I am with my other girlfriend called NQ. Yo, you cheating on NQ with ES or what? Are you trading on ES with NQ or what? What's GC doing actually? Ciao. Ooh, that's a really nice gold long setup right there. I can't even lie. That's kind of clean. That's actually really fucking clean. What the fuck? Why the fuck is this shit backwards? But then again, it's gold. That shit will like look clean. You take an entry and it'll just wick you out and then do whatever the fuck it wants for like the next 2 years. I'm not going to take the trade, but I'm just going to draw it out because I'm actually curious to see how it plays out. 100 ticks. So yeah. See y'all. Bye-bye.